Creating a Google account is a simple process and gives you access to services like Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, and many more. So here is how you can create a Google account. So on your computer or mobile device, open a web browser. So I'm doing on my PC. So example Chrome or Safari, and visit the Google. Now once in the Google sign-in page, you can see create an account option available in the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on it. Then from there you can tap on the for your personal use or business according to your preferences. Now fill in your personal information such as your first name and last name. Once done, you can simply tap on the next option available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then all you have to do is Google requires your date of birth to ensure you meet the age requirements for using certain Google services. So make sure to enter your actual birth date and select your gender. So once done, again tap on the next option available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be navigated to choose your desired Gmail address, example your name @gmail.com. If the name is already taken, Google will suggest alternatives or allow you to try another name. So here you can see Google has provided you some alternatives username. If you like it, then you can choose any one of them, or you can tap on the create your own and create any one, but I am choosing from the alternative one. Then tap on the next option available in the bottom right corner of your screen again. Now create a strong password, at least 8 characters, and then confirm it. Now click next to proceed. You will be asked to provide a phone number for account security and recovery purposes. Now all you have to do is enter your phone number, and the Google will send you a verification code, and enter the verification code and agree to Google's terms and services. Once you have agreed, your Google account will be created. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.